H-1B visa stamping is a critical step for foreign professionals who want to work in the United States. Without this official endorsement in your passport, you cannot legally enter the country to begin your employment, even if your petition has been approved. The H-1B visa stamping process requires several important documents. These include your Form DS-160 confirmation, I-797 approval notice, H-1B classification supplement form, labor condition application, visa application confirmation, petition documents, a digital color photo, employment letter, job description, financial statements, educational credentials, and your passport. The stamping process follows a specific sequence. First, complete the DS-160 online non-immigrant visa application form. This typically takes about 90 minutes to fill out. Ensure all details match your H-1B petition and passport information. Next, pay the visa application fee, which ranges from $1,700 to $6,500, depending on various factors including lawyer fees and employment criteria. Your employer handles most fees, though premium processing is optional and can be paid by the applicant. After payment, schedule 2 appointments if applying in India. The first is at the Visa Application Center for biometric data collection, including fingerprinting and a digital photo. The second appointment is for your interview at a U.S. consulate or embassy. Schedule the consulate interview at least 2 days after your biometric appointment. The visa interview is perhaps the most crucial part of the process. Consular officers will ask questions about your qualifications, employment, and intentions. Be prepared to discuss your educational background, professional experience, job responsibilities, employer details, and previous travel history. Answer questions honestly and concisely, focusing on how your skills match the position requirements. For Indian citizens, visa stamping can be done at U.S. diplomatic missions in New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, or Kolkata. Wait times vary significantly by location. Mumbai typically has the shortest wait at just 3 days, while New Delhi can have waits of up to 290 days. Chennai, Hyderabad, and Kolkata average between 60 to 70 days. Some applicants qualify for the dropbox option, also known as the Interview Waiver Program. To be eligible, you must have previously received an H-1B visa in India that expired within the last 48 months, have no history of visa refusals, and be applying in the same visa category. This option significantly speeds up the renewal process. When it comes to visa renewal, the process traditionally required traveling outside the United States. However, a recent pilot program now allows a limited number of H-1B holders to renew their visas while remaining in the U.S. For most applicants, though, international travel for restamping is still necessary. If you change employers, you'll need a new visa stamp only if you travel outside the United States. Your new employer must file an H-1B petition and receive I-797 approval. If you remain in the country, the H-1B transfer process allows you to work without immediate restamping. Visa applications can be rejected for several reasons. Common issues include employer non-compliance with H-1B regulations, incomplete or incorrect documentation, failure to meet academic or experience requirements, not maintaining current immigration status, or inability to provide requested additional evidence. Understanding the H-1B visa stamping process is essential for a successful application. The process involves careful preparation of documents, scheduling appropriate appointments, and being ready for your interview. While the procedure can seem complex, following these steps methodically and seeking legal guidance when needed can help ensure a smooth experience as you pursue your professional goals in the United States.